How to fix can't download apps on iPhone. So if you're unable to download an application on your iPhone, whether you try to download your favorite app in the App Store, now it says this app cannot be downloaded, or you cannot even download the app no matter how you try. Then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now there are a few reasons why you can't download apps on your iPhone, but the best solution is: 1. Go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on App Store. Now scroll down the App Store page, tap App Downloads, and if this is set to always ask or is set to ask if over 200 MB, make sure you change to allow always. Then once you set that to allow always, then you can just go ahead and try whether you can download the app again on your iPhone. And if you still cannot download the application, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and then select screen time. Now once you select screen time, scroll down the page, click on content and privacy restrictions. Under content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and click on allow apps and feature. Then here, make sure you turn on all features you have under allow apps and feature. Then hit the back button once, click on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Then hang on. Once you click on that, here scroll down to apps and then click on it. Here make sure you set apps to 17 plus. So if you set app to don't allow, you'll not be able to download apps on your iPhone. And if it is set to +4, +9 or +12, you will only be able to download apps that are rated +4, +9 or +12. So to make sure you're able to download any app on your iPhone, make sure you select 17 plus, and once you select the 17 plus, hit the back button. Now if you are still not able to download the application on your iPhone, then what you're going to do next is this. Go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, click on your profile name, which is your Apple account name. Now I want to sign out your Apple account, so scroll down and click on sign out. Then once you hit the sign out button, you'll be prompted to confirm your Apple ID password. Then go ahead and type in your password. Once you type in your Apple ID password, go ahead and click on the turn off button and then hang on. Now once you logged out of your Apple ID account, you want to go ahead and then restart your iPhone. And now once you've restarted your iPhone, then you can now go ahead again and try to download the application from the App Store. So this should fix can't download apps on iPhone. So if you find any of these steps helpful, please don't forget to list it in the download section so as to help others to know which of the steps that works for you. So if this is also informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.